Hi everyone, this is Rachel from Simply Chelly over on Instagram, and today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing of some of the Happy Planner's newest spring release items. So the spring release will be launching on March 16. I'm not sure what the time is yet. There also might be some coupon codes for you to use, but I'm not sure yet, but I will definitely make sure that I'll be putting them on the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. You will also find my affiliate link in there, so I would really appreciate it if you will use my link if you're going to shop on the Happy Planner website. I will have a small commission with no additional cost to you. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to the Happy Planner for sending me these items. If you don't know, I'm part of the Happy Planner Ambassador program where they send me items or products for a new release so that I can share them with you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look of the products that they have sent me. Okay, so first, let's take a look at these planners. Okay, so I'll just go quickly with all the items that I got, and the first up are these planners. I will also have a separate and detailed flip through of the different collections, or I'm not sure how I will do it, but it will be in a separate video. Okay, so let's take a look, or let's I'll just put this aside first because there's a glare with the lights and everything. So first up is this mini planner. Okay, so before anything else, I just will want to give you a little background regarding the Happy Planner discount system. So the Happy Planner is known for their discount system that helps you customize your planner the way you want it. You know, as you can easily pop the pages in and out, or you can change, you know, like you can pop this out and put it back in. And you can also change the covers of your planners. You can add some planner inserts and accessories. And there's just endless customization with the Happy Planner. Also, I want to point out that I just love their new logo. Take a look at this. Isn't their packaging so cute? This is so pretty for me. It's so bright and colorful. And these tabs are just so innovative and creative. When you open these tabs here, see, you will see there's a layout, so there's description of what kind of planner layout you're gonna have with this kind of planner. So for example, here it's a dashboard layout, and the next one here is on how you will customize your Happy Planner with a discount system. So it's just nice to see that you can learn the layout inside, and then you can also learn how to customize your planner. And then you can even scan a QR code here, and it will take you to a web page where you can learn more about the Happy Planner disc system. So isn't it cute? Okay, so about this planner, this is a mini Happy Planner. So you can see it's a dashboard layout, and it says on the cover, plan on it. It's like a washed white color or light gray in color with a black plastic disc. So I just love it, and it starts on July 2023 until June 2024. And this is part of the Modern Months collection. Sorry for the glare. So this one is from the Work Plus Life collection, and this is a 12-month deluxe planner from July 2023 to June of next year. It also says here 2023-2024, and this is you have, I think, a black metal disc. Not gonna open this up yet, but I am going to do a separate flip through for this line. So as you can see, there's the disc, black metal disc, and then these are your dividers here. This is a vertical layout and in a classic size. Okay, so it also has a folder and some sticker sheets there. Okay, so next I have this cute seasonal whimsy from the seasonal whimsy collection. This is a classic happy planner. It's 18 months from July until December of next year. So this is a vertical layout, and what is it? It says one happy year. Sorry. Oh my gosh. The inside of the planner is really cute with those florals. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm excited for this planner because I know this is a seasonal one. I'm just so excited for this. So I'm going to do a separate flip through of all the other lines or collections. And then this one here, this is also from the seasonal whimsy collection, but this is a big planner. And then you have this is also 18 months, so it's from July this year to December next year. And it says at the front page, this year looks bright. It has like plastic gold disc, and this is also a vertical layout. It has stripes inside. It's different from the classic planner. So we'll see on a separate flip through if it has a different divider or with the same divider. Okay, and then the last planner that I've got is this big monthly layout planner, which is from the Happy Brights collection. This is also an 18-month planner from July to December next year, and I just love this planner. Look at that on the front cover, which says dreams are plans in the making. I just love it. It's so cute. It's so simple yet so colorful, and this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so that's it for the planners I've got. Okay, so these are the accessories that I've got, and let's go through these first. This is a classic metal disc in what color? It's like purple, pearly purple color. There we go. It's just so cute. And I also got this washi tape. So those are the washies. I'm just going to open this up on another video to give you like a full flip through, and so that you can see the design. And then I have a mini snap-in soft planner cover here. It's in blush, or yeah, blush color. This is just so cute to snap in my mini planner that I'm going to use for July. And then let's put this aside. And then I've got a 3-piece bookmark. It says today's a perfect day to start living your dreams. Okay, I'm not gonna flip through it, or I'm not gonna open this up, but I'm going to do that on a separate video. And some planner companion accessories. This is from the Happy Brights collection. So you have a pouch. There's also a vision board, dry erase board, plastic envelopes, some note paper, a storage folder, some stickers, and a pocket folder here. Sorry for the glare. I also got some paper inserts here. This is from the Winnie the Pooh collection. So there's some colorful stripes inside here. This is just so cute. Another accessory from the Winnie the Pooh collection. This is an undated vertical extension pack. So that's Pooh is just so cute. So with this, you'll have 2 sticker sheets, an undated vertical layout. There's a pocket folder, some dividers also here. So it's like 4 months, I think, of undated extension pack. Okay. Next one is a planner accessory pack from the Tinkerbell. This has 20 sheets of note paper, a pocket folder, 2 sticker sheets, and a bookmark. So these are like some things that I've said earlier that will be very, very useful to customize in your planner. You can easily insert the bookmarks and then put in some happy notes or note paper, and then just use these sticker sheets. And the last accessory that I got, I'm very much excited to do a detailed video for this planner zip folio because it's the first time that I received this. And yeah, I'm excited to open this up and see what's inside or how I can customize my planner to fit in here. Okay, this is just so cute. I love the colors. I love the Happy Planner disc, and it's just so me. I love it. Here we go. So now we'll go through the sticker books that I've got, and this is like a lot. And I'm just so excited to use them all. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 value pack sticker book and 1 big. Okay, so first I've got these stickers from the Work Plus Life line. These are 632 pieces, and then that's just the back. There's, I think it's the same what do you call this one? It's the same tabs that says like priority, meeting. Oh my gosh, you can see like day off or to-dos, but just in a different color sticker sheet. And I have some classic sticker sheets that are from the Happy Brights collection. This is just so cute. I I'm going to do a detailed flip through of all of these sticker books in 8 different videos, so check that out also. So these are the sticker sheets that's in this sticker book, the designs. Isn't it just so cute? Okay, so that's the Happy Brides, and I have here the Seasonal Whimsy. Let's do a quick flip through. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy to have this seasonal sticker book. I always love seasonal sticker books. Okay, so that's what you get inside all of these designs here. Now this one is from the Modern Months line. This is more of a neutral sticker book designs, and it's more of coats or like small tabs. It's more functional maybe. Okay. Next one is Sunshine Vibes. Oh my gosh, who's ready for summer? So I just love the colors in here. It's so fun and bright. There you go. That's the back. Now I also got a Softly Modern. Let's see. These are more of a neutral aesthetic. So cute. And that's all of the designs in the back here, you can see. Okay, so up next we have this one is Beautiful and Brave from A Spoonful of Faith. I just loved all of the designs that Jenna made even before, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Take a look at that. Oh gosh, I just love the colors in here. I'm already excited to use this. Okay, and then next one is this Fresh Bouquet. It says here, my mom game is strong. Yes, oh, it's more of a floral type of sticker book. It's so cute. I just love the colors that they're bringing out for spring this year. There you go. As I've said before, I'm just going to do a separate flip through of this sticker books in a different video. So we're just like quickly flipping through all of the sticker books that I got. Okay, so next, these are all from the Disney line. So we have the Wonderful Things Bigger sticker book. As you can see at the front page, the colors are mostly just shades of orange, light orange, dark one, and black. As the colors of Tigger. It's just so cute. Let's do a quick flip through here. There you go. Oh, Tigger's so cute. Yes, okay. And you also have all of the pages here at the back. That's what you have in this sticker book. Ooh, this is True to You sticker book. I just love, before like flipping through this sticker book, I just love the colors outside. You can already see the colors that are in the sticker book, and I just love all of it. You have some gold foil stickers, black stickers with some colors. Oh, look at those colors. So fun, right? I'm so excited to use these sticker books as well. And those are the insides. Next one, oh, this is True to You sticker book also, but for a big. And let's see, it's almost the same, but with like bigger stickers. That's designed for a big happy planner. Yes, I love it. So cute. These are what's inside. And then we have Tinkerbell here. It says find your wings. And these are mostly shades of green and some yellows maybe. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh. There you go. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it's more of shades of green. And then this is the last one. This is a big sticker book with Tinkerbell here. And oh my gosh, this is just so cute. Tinkerbell is just so cute. And they're big individual letters here. I'm just so excited to use these stickers and have fun with them. So this is what you got inside all of these designs. And that's it, you guys. These are for the Disney. And these are some of the stickers that I've got. And this is it. These are all of the products that I've got for the spring release from the Happy Planner. Again, thank you so much, Happy Planner, for sending this my way. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you liked it and want to see more unboxing videos, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so you're told whenever I have a new video that has been uploaded. And that's it, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye.